Question. By raise of hands, how many of you have more than one stream of income? Okay, perfect. Second question, how many of you have money in the stock market? Okay. Now, how many of you have ever done currency trading before? Okay, amazing. So over the next few minutes, I want to share with you something that I've been doing that has completely changed my perspective as well as my excitement for the future. So for those who have not heard of currency trading before, I want to give you a few quick stats as well as give you an understanding of how it works. Number one, the foreign exchange market is the largest financial market in the world, producing about $6.6 trillion per day in trading volume, making it the most liquid market in the world. And unlike the stock market, you can trade in this market 24 hours a day. And just like stocks, gold, or oil fluctuate in value every day, currency also fluctuates in value. We have the opportunity to make money by riding these waves. So now the question comes as to where can you learn how to do this so that you can actually have success with it? And that's where I Am Mastery Academy comes into play, who has been in business now since 2013, has an incredible corporate team, some of the best leadership I've ever seen, has taught hundreds of thousands of students worldwide through their academy, and has become one of the leading educational platforms in the world. So within I Am Mastery Academy, there's an academy called HFX, which stands for High Frequency Exchange. Now through this academy, you can learn how to make money when price goes up or down. So how do we determine whether price will go up or down? Well, inside I Am Mastery Academy, you gain access to 5 proprietary scanners where you'll receive market ideas and strategies sent to you, giving you an indication as to when you can choose to enter into a potential setup using one of our strategies. These market ideas will give you an exact opportunity 24 hours a day to see what the educator sees and enter into the exact same opportunity. Not only that, you get access to one of the top education platforms with Go Live, where there is education all throughout the day and night. You can hop on live sessions, learn, and even take live market ideas right on the session, following exactly what the educators do. Don't speak English? No worries. Go Live has many different languages, translation, and subtitles to suit your needs. This one platform alone is the most valuable piece in the academy. Why? Because you are watching live sessions from top educators in the industry. So let's show you an example of what a strategy setup would look like. There are 4 steps to placing a trade. Number 1, select the currency pair. Number 2, choose the time expiration. Number 3, choose the size of your trade, which is the dollar amount that you choose. And number 4 is to push the button of the predicted price direction. So let's take a look at a quick example of what this might look like.
Okay, so let's look at a few actual trade opportunities that we could take based on the new Cash Trap 2.0. Here it's just given us a put option near a resistance line, and if we look at USD to JPY on the currency strength, you can note that the first currency number is smaller than the second, and that means that we're looking for put option opportunities. So here we can go over to our brokerage platform and place a put option on USD to JPY for 3 minutes. Okay, so now we've placed that trade. We will wait the 3 minutes and we will see how this plays out. And there we win the trade simply by following the rules of Cash Trap 2.0. Okay, so here we have another opportunity on the Euro to JPY. It has given us a call option opportunity with an ideal entry of 125. And again, we want to look at the last 3 digits of 958. And we're looking at a call option because the first digit in the currency strength meter is bigger than the second. So we'll go over to our broker and we'll look at that potential trade opportunity. So here we're on USD JPY. We need to make sure and go down to the correct symbol. Euro JPY. Price is currently a bit above that entry point. There we have it. Put in a call option for 3 minutes. Okay, so now we're seeing the latter end of that particular trade, and as you can see, we got in at 963. It called out the trade at 958, which would have been down here, which would have given us an even better entry point. So we got in a little bit early, but as you can see, with the power of Cash Trap, there we have a green box again, indicating that we won that trade simply by following the currency strength meter, aiming for an ideal entry point, and getting in the direction that Cash Trap 2.0 recommended.
Now here's the good news. We have a way for you to become a customer and gain access to the Academy for free, and I'm going to show you how to do this. If you find 2 individuals who want to do this with you and they enroll, your subscription is waived each month as long as they remain actively subscribed to the Academy. That's it. In regards to the subscription, you can get started today for $235, which includes tax and your first month. The monthly, if you choose to stay with us, is $174.95, which is $5.83 per day. And on top of that, it's month to month. And if you choose to add on different services, we have those as well so that you can test them out. And that's not all. We also teach, if you have the desire, how to become an affiliate, where you can get paid to share this with others. The way it works is when someone enrolls into our academy, the company will pay you a commission. And these commissions can continue as people are subscribed to the Academy. And the best part, you don't have to sell anything in order to make money. Now here's a simple breakdown. You share I Am Mastery Academy with someone, and when they enroll, you receive $25. Share it with a third person, upgrade to IBO, and now the company will pay you $150 per month as those 3 customers remain active with their subscription. As people see the value in the Academy, they may start to share the Academy with others, and as they do so, your customer base will grow. So say those 3 shared it with 3 customers as well. You now have 12 customers. That means the company will pay you $600 per month as those 12 customers remain active to their subscription to I Am Mastery Academy. So those 12, they share with a few, and you now have 30 customers, and you're paid $1,000 on a monthly basis as those 30 customers remain active with their subscription. Now, this is where lives begin to change. 75 customers, $2,000 a month. 225 customers is $5,000 a month. 500 customers is $10,000 per month, and so on and so forth, all the way up to any income you desire. In fact, just in case you're skeptical, we have people, many of them, at all of these ranks you see here on the screen. And you know what's interesting? This doesn't even count anything that they might make with our educational strategies inside the market. And here's the amazing thing. I Am Mastery Academy has a 7-day money-back guarantee. So if you decide this is not for you, no sweat. Simply contact the company and cancel your subscription. And as we close, consider what Albert Einstein stated. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. The question I have for you is interest working for you or against you? Think about that just for a moment. You now have the opportunity to put interest in your favor by getting started with us and entering into the largest financial market in the world. So get back to the person who shared this with you, and welcome to I Am Mastery Academy.